Have you ever wondered if the universe is truly listening to your desires? Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept that the universe doesn't just listen, but it responds generously, offering more than we might ask for. This idea isn't just about wishful thinking. It's about understanding how to align ourselves with the vast, abundant nature of the universe. Manifestation, a term often tossed around in discussions of personal development and spiritual growth, will be our focus. But we're looking better than usual. We'll uncover not just how to ask, but how to truly receive and receive abundantly. To start, let's clarify what we mean by manifestation. At its core, manifestation is the process where your thoughts and energy translate into reality. The principle is simple. What you focus on, you attract. But the practice, well, that's where many find challenges. It's not just about thinking positively, but aligning those thoughts with concrete feelings and actions. So, how do you set the stage for effective manifestation? First, it's crucial to be clear about what you want. Vagueness leads to vague results. If you desire more happiness, what does that happiness look like for you? Is it more time with family, a fulfilling job, or perhaps personal achievements? Specifying your desires makes it easier for the universe to understand and respond. Clarity alone isn't enough. Your intentions must be paired with a genuine emotional investment. You need to feel as if what you desire is already part of your reality, an approach that requires visualization and emotional alignment. When you visualize, don't just see the end result. Feel it. The joy of achieving your desires, the peace that comes with fulfillment. These emotions are powerful catalysts in the manifestation process. Yet many of us inadvertently limit ourselves. We ask for what we think we can receive rather than what we truly want. It's like aiming too low, not trusting the universe's capacity to respond. To break away from this limitation, you must shift your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance. Understand that the universe has no limits, and your potential to receive is bound only by your own constraints. This mindset shift is vital and leads to what we call expansive asking, where you not only ask for what you want, but are open to receiving more in various forms. And for example, if you're seeking a new job, don't just envision the position you saw in the job listing. Imagine one that brings even greater satisfaction and unexpected opportunities for growth. This openness invites the universe to fill in more generously, often in ways you hadn't specifically imagined. By mastering these basics, clarity, emotional alignment, and expansive asking, you set a robust foundation for your manifestation efforts. It's about creating an environment ripe for receiving, where you're not just passively hoping, but actively participating in the creation of your own reality. While we move forward, remember that manifestation is an ongoing process. Each step you take builds on the previous ones, forming a journey that's uniquely tailored to your personal growth and aspirations. Moving on from the foundational principles of manifestation, let's discuss the significant role of positive expectations. Expecting positive outcomes isn't just about hope. It's a strategic approach in the art of manifestation. When you expect good things, you're not just wishing, you are actively setting an intention that aligns your mental and emotional energy with what you desire. This alignment is crucial because it communicates to the universe that you are ready and open to receive. Think about it this way. Your expectations are like a signal you send into the world, a declaration of your belief in what's possible. When you expect success, joy, health, or abundance, you're not only more likely to take actions that lead to these outcomes, but you're also more open to recognizing opportunities that may otherwise go unnoticed. It's about cultivating an attitude that attracts favorable circumstances, drawing them toward you like a magnet. To cultivate positive expectations, start by adjusting your daily thoughts. Instead of focusing on what could go wrong, shift your attention to what can go right. This doesn't mean ignoring potential challenges. Rather, it's about giving more energy to the outcomes you wish to create. And for instance, if you're working on a project, instead of worrying about the obstacles, you could focus on the success you envision and the steps you need to take to achieve it. This approach not only boosts your morale, but also enhances your creativity and problem-solving skills. Next, let's look into the importance of aligning your personal energy with the universal energy. This alignment is a key factor in manifestation because it connects your personal desires with the greater flow of the universe. But how do you achieve this alignment? It starts with self-awareness and mindfulness. Mindfulness helps you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings. It allows you to notice when your energies are misaligned with your desires. For example, if you desire peace but constantly engage in conflicts, your energies are not in alignment. Practicing mindfulness involves observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment and steering them towards a more harmonious state. Another powerful tool for alignment is meditation. Meditation allows you to quiet the mind and connect with a deeper level of consciousness. It provides a space to clear away clutter and connect with the core of your being, where you can feel a profound sense of unity with the universe. When you meditate, you might focus on your breath or repeat a meaningful mantra, simple actions that help stabilize your energy and keep you attuned to your deeper intentions. Both mindfulness and meditation do more than just relax the mind. They prepare it to operate in harmony with the universe. By practicing these regularly, you can fine-tune your vibrational frequency to resonate with the energies of what you wish to attract. This doesn't just enhance your ability to manifest, it also improves your overall well-being, making you more receptive to the gifts the universe has to offer. Building on the foundation of aligning with universal energy, let's now explore how visualization can serve as a powerful tool in the manifestation process. Visualization is not merely daydreaming, it is a focused and intentional practice that involves picturing in your mind what you desire to manifest in as much detail as possible. To effectively use visualization, start by setting aside a few quiet minutes each day to close your eyes and imagine your life as you wish it to be. Imagine not just the end goals, such as owning a home or achieving professional success, but also the steps involved in reaching those goals. Imagine the sensations, the emotions, and the experiences you expect to encounter along the way. This practice helps to reinforce your desires and embed them deeply into your subconscious. One key aspect of successful visualization is consistency. Regular visualization sessions can reinforce your goals and enhance your focus. They help you maintain a clear and persistent vision of what you want, thereby informing the universe of your intentions. It's like repeatedly telling a friend exactly what you want for your birthday. It makes it easier for them to deliver that exact wish. Moving from visualization to another crucial aspect of manifestation, we consider the role of gratitude. Gratitude is powerful because it shifts your focus from what is lacking in your life to what is abundant. And this shift is significant because it aligns you with the very essence of manifestation, the universe's abundant nature. Practicing gratitude starts with recognizing and appreciating the good in your current situation, regardless of how small or insignificant it might seem. You can begin by keeping a gratitude journal, where each day you write down things you are thankful for, from basic comforts like a warm bed to more significant events like receiving help from a friend. This practice trains your mind to notice and appreciate abundance everywhere, which in turn attracts more positivity into your life. Gratitude also opens your heart to receive. It eases the grip of scarcity and fear and fosters a more generous and open approach to life. When you are grateful, you operate from a place of strength, not lack, which naturally attracts more good things, more of what you are thankful for. By integrating gratitude with visualization, you create a powerful combination that can significantly amplify your manifestation efforts. While visualization aligns your mind and emotions with your desires, gratitude aligns your spirit with the frequency of abundance and generosity. Together, these practices not only improve your mental and emotional health, but also enhance your capability to manifest your desires with the universe's help. Transitioning from the nurturing practices of gratitude and visualization, it's crucial to address the barriers that might impede our path to successful manifestation. These barriers often manifest as internal blocks and limiting beliefs that can subtly undermine our efforts. Identifying these blocks begins with introspection. It involves looking inward to recognize the recurring thoughts that may suggest a belief in scarcity or a fear of success. These thoughts often sound like, "I'm not good enough," or "I don't deserve this." Acknowledging these thoughts is the first step in transforming them. To overcome these limiting beliefs, start by challenging them. Whenever a negative thought arises, counter it with evidence of your capabilities and past successes. This could involve writing down your achievements or affirming your strengths out loud. The key is to weaken the hold of negative beliefs by reinforcing positive, truthful narratives about yourself and your potential. With a clearer mindset, free of major blocks, it's essential to focus on the actionable steps that can make your desires a reality. Manifestation is not solely about wishing or believing. It also requires action. These actions should be inspired and purposefully directed towards your goals. Begin by setting small, manageable goals that lead towards your larger desire. If your aim is to improve your health, start with daily walks or adjusting your diet gradually. These steps might seem small, but they create momentum and demonstrate to the universe your commitment to your manifestation. Stay open to opportunities that may come in unexpected forms. Sometimes the universe responds in ways we hadn't precisely planned. By being flexible and responsive to opportunities, you maintain alignment with your goals while adapting to the universe's plan for you. Thank you for exploring the profound principles of manifestation with us. We hope this video has not only illuminated the pathways to harnessing the universe's abundance, but also inspired you to take actionable steps towards realizing your dreams. Manifestation is a powerful tool that, when wielded with clarity and intention, can transform your life beyond your expectations. If you found value in this video and wish to continue discovering ways to align your desires with the universe's abundant offerings, please consider liking and sharing this video. Your engagement helps us reach others who, like you, are on their journey to unlock their full potential. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content that helps you transform your dreams into reality. Your journey is just beginning, and we are here to support each step you take towards a life filled with abundance and fulfillment.